Okay, now let's talk a little now within the next few minutes. This will be very short and straightforward to the point. And unlike other days where we explain and storm into the market, today I will just be explaining to you every single process that we take before storming into the market for extremely massive results. So that by the end of this video, that's if you don't skip even a single second, you would have mastered exactly how to storm into the market and cash out over 90% of the time. 2, you will understand the reality of forex trading and exactly how to manage profits and losses. 3, you will understand exactly how sniper entries work and how you can always catch it almost every single day. 4, you will understand exactly how flipping of accounts works in real life scenarios and how you can replicate this on any account size at all. And lastly, you will understand exactly how you can move from a stage of complete beginner into a stage where you can easily cash out from the market repeatedly. But then just before we go on, if you're new to this YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscribe button, hit on like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this place. So that not to waste so much time, let's dive in now. Boom. All right, now let's go on. Now, number 1, how you can easily storm into the market and cash out over 90% of the time. Now, to do this, all we simply need to do first is to rush into a chart, rush down to our higher time frames. That's I'm talking about a daily time frame and 4 hours time frame. Now, after that, I want to check out the overall trend of the market there. Number 1. Number 2, I want to check out if there is any major candlestick structure that is formed at that particular region. 2. Number 3, I want to check if there is any major breakout of chart structures around that region also. Now, after that, I want to drop down to lower time frame, meaning my 1 hour time frame, my 15 minutes time frame, and if you want to scalp, then your 5 minutes and your 1 minute time frame. And I want to repeat exact same procedure. Check if there's any major breakout around that region, check out the candlestick structures around that spot, and check if the overall chart structure around my lower time frames have now been broken. And now, after tracking my entry zone, the next thing I want to do is to rush down to check my news event if there's any major news happening around that particular time that I'm about to storm into my trade. If there are no news events occurring at that particular time, and then my candlestick structure around that range is perfect, my overall chart structure is actually perfect, then I know that now I can easily storm into my trade. And if you are confused about what strategy to use to analyze all of these patterns, we have a lot of them on this YouTube channel, so you can literally just run through our playlist to actually capture what is best for you. 2, reality of forex trading, managing profit and losses. Now, the first thing you must understand is taking losses is very, very normal, just like taking profit is actually very, very normal. Your ability to manage both, that's your profit and your losses, is what creates the difference and is what makes you a profitable trader. And now, the major secret is this: anytime you trade, you always aim all the time, you always aim for 3:1. That is, when you are losing just 1, and when you are aiming, you are making 3 times of what you lost. So when you win 2 times in a row, you're already 6 times of what you lost. If you win 3 times in a row, you're already 9 times of what you lost. When you lose again after that, you lose another 1, and when you win again, you're already 12:2 now. So you lost 2 and now you're already 12 ahead, right? That's where your psychology is always on point, and that's how you gain massive results, by managing both your profits and your losses, if you can easily just follow this rule. 3, catching sniper entries. Now, this is actually extremely straightforward and requires watching out for the charts. That's watching out the most visible levels that everyone can easily be stopped out. That's like thinking like the market makers. That's, you are thinking about the levels where most traders are supposed to place in their stop loss, and that level where all traders are supposed to place in their stop loss becomes your entry point. That's because that's the exact level you get little or absolute zero retracement. And this is what we replicate almost every time on our free Telegram channel, and of course also on YouTube. 4, in flipping any account at all, no matter the account size, all you need are just 3 points. Only 3. A, you set an overall target. B, you break this target into several units. C, you hit the target of these individual units gradually, increasing your risk gradually also. Now, what I mean by that is simple. Assuming I have a $10 account and I want to flip this $10 through to $1,000 $1,000 account, all I want to do is break this $1,000 target into several units. So the first thing I want to think about is to hit just $20 first. After that, I want to hit $50, and after that, I want to hit like $100, and after that, I want to set a target of $400, and from there, I can easily trade that account into $1,000. And the most important rule is that you always use the amount of capital you are ready to lose without any issue. That way, you are easily disconnected from the account psychologically, and that will help you to make good trading decisions without any issues at all. And if you reason it that way, it's even easier to trade minor amounts of capital than trading large amounts of capital, which always attacks your psychology. And lastly, 5, to move from a complete beginner into a stage where you can cash out from the market repeatedly, you need 30% of knowledge and 70% of extreme practical. That is extreme practicals on your account every single day without skipping even a single day. That's my case also because I practice forex trading every single day, and I've been consistent like that for years, trading every single day, including Saturdays and Sundays. And of course, weekend trading can be achieved on synthetic accounts only. And when I say you should trade every single day, it doesn't mean that you should go on your live accounts to trade there every single day. In fact, most of the times you are trading can easily be on a demo account, and there's no problem about that. You can keep repeating that every single day until you've gained enough mastery to swap into a live account. And when you are not trading on your live account, you should be trading on your demo account to maintain the consistency. Boom. Okay guys, so that just has for class actually goes. So there were no trading today. All we simply just did was hit the nail on the head. Lastly, for every single video that can hit over 1,000 likes within 24 hours, that's before we hit over 100,000 subscribers, I'll be coming back to that particular video, and I'll be running through the comment section, and I'll be selecting 3 random traders that will be funding $3,000 each, just like that. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos I'll be dropping out from this place. So that just says for class actually goes, guys. So bye from guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.